Today's video will introduce you to a free desktop app with a great source of original sounds. It is free to use, and to get started, type SoundQ in your web browser or click on the link in the description. After that, you select download for Mac if you are using a MacBook, and then download for Windows if you are using Windows. And this is how the platform looks like. When the download is successful, you can go ahead and install the application. And after the installation is successful as well, you can now go ahead and start using the application.